Hello guys, so let's see how we can initialize a Playwright project. Many of us get problems with initializing the project initially, so let's see. So I have already opened a folder. Now let me go to the terminal by creating a file login.spec.ts. Now first of all, make sure you have npm installed in your machine. So, and also you can verify it using npm version. So I already have installed. So now let's initiate using npm init-y. So this would create a package.json file, as you can see. Now let's initiate Playwright. So npm init playwright @latest. So TypeScript, and also you can install browsers, or it can be done manually using npx playwright installed. So no for now. And as you can see, we have initialized, and now you can write script in this file spec.ts and simply run npx playwright test, or if it's within the test folder, you can write \test/ the file name spec.ts. So this is how we do it. Thank you guys.